With KeyDigital Medical Monitoring System, communication between patient and nurse is safe and easy. Patients requiring assistance may call the nurse, establishing communication by voice and full HD video monitoring at the nurse's station. KeyDigital Medical Monitoring System is operated by a nurse using the KD management software that is included on the management PC. Patients press the call button to alert the nurse that they require care. The nurse selects the patient room, deactivating the patient call alert and establishing two-way voice communication using professional-grade audio equipment, as well as a full-screen view of the patient on monitor 1 at the nurse's station. KD MMS utilizes a 1080p HD camera with controllable pan and tilt, 10 times optical zoom, and preset shortcuts. Professional audio, video, and IT equipment are at the heart of KD Medical Monitoring System, so you can provide the care and attention your patients deserve.